Absolutely. Well, Kendall, it's been an hour. I really have so many more questions, but we're just going to cut it off here. I I cannot tell you um, just express enough how much I thank you for your friendship, number one,
Anytime.
but also just giving some love out to the people that might be looking at Sam, our software accelerator manager, and the whole idea of using CRM automations, all that kind of stuff within a software application that is there to help you. And you have taken things to the extreme with other projects that I've done, and
Yeah.
really taking what I've designed and thought and planned and put together for agents. You've done it, and I appreciate you for doing that. And I know that's just you, that's just who you are, but
Yeah.
at the same time, you know you are unique in your own ways. And I love your art, by the way. Very good. Since retirement, everybody she has dove into a lot of watercolor painting of
Watercolor, starting to get into block printing, and Shashiko embroidery was yesterday's thing, whatever. I'm just having fun with age appropriate activities.
well, certainly impressive. If people will reach out to you, if they do have any questions, is there
Sure.
a good place
So,
they can
so
reach
the
out?
best email right now is my name, Kendall at kendallyoung.com. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm most active on my art channel, which is Kendall Young Art. That's my handle. And I mean, you can find me at Kendall Young. That's my real estate channel. And sometimes I remember to go there, but not very often.
Yeah. Well, Um, Cody, you've been pretty silent over there. I know you've been absorbing things. Is there anything that you want to share? I know I've kind of dominated this, but
I kind of wanted to take the seat of the student for this one. This was a really excellent conversation, Kendall. I really appreciate just the value and the thought that you bring into this. I think the work that we share about often is driving those world-class client experiences. And I mean, just in the two examples that you gave, you can really tell that that's present. And I think that if folks that are watching will really latch onto these ideas and really think about how can I deliver a better experience in each one of those opportunities, that maybe there's a fear moment, or maybe there is an opportunity for me to put either side of the transaction at peace. A note that I wrote was, if you deliver peace, they will deliver the referrals because they want their friends and family to have that same peace. And I just think that that is something that's really powerful. It inspires me to think about the different automations that I build into our business and how I can go above and beyond for our people too. But I think that was excellent. I think other than that, maybe Kendall, if you've got any sage words that you want to send us out with.
I do actually. Everything that I've shared with you are flourishes, if you will, icing on the cake. The actual cake is being an absolute expert in your real estate market and in your real estate transaction. You should be striving in every way possible to know more than anybody else. At least that's my brand. Some of you are just really good salespeople. Some of you are just really good, lead producers or brokering deals together. That kind of wasn't my thing. My thing was literally knowing more than anybody else in the transaction. You do you, boo, but I can't tell you how much collateral damage happens because real estate agents are not expert in their contract, in their transaction, in the financing, in the local rules that need to be, paid attention to. Just Be the expert. That's what you get paid for. I think you get paid for to show houses and to see the potential. It's not, dudes. It's to protect your client's interests. And you can only do that if you're the expert.
Very good. Very good. Well, Kendall, thank you again so much. And at this point, I'm going to call this a wrap, and we will see each other later. Hopefully, this summer we'll be in your area, and or at least close in your area that we can swing by and have
Well,
dinner.
my son's up in Oakland, so
Okay.
you let me know, and I'll hightail it on up there.
You'll take care of us. All right. Well, we appreciate that. Everybody, thank you so much for visiting, and we will get a lot of these different tidbits of information and stuff. We're going to break these up into separate sections that can be like smaller trainings on how to implement these in SAM. So in the Software Accelerator Manager, we can do lots of the automation, and that's really what we wanted to make available to you guys. So hope that will be helpful as well. Everybody, have a great day. Thank you so much.